Look at the beaver den over there. Looks like we have someone over there. I wonder if it's one of my friends. Let's see. Jack! Come here, Jack! Hi, Jack! Ev! Is that you, Jack? Is that you, my handsome friend? Boy, oh boy, you're coming. I don't have any corn. I'm sorry, sweetheart. Where's Jack? Is Jack with you? Is Jack with you? Hi, Evie. You're beautiful. You're still going, girly. Yeah, I know who you are, Ev. I know who you are, beautiful girl. Yeah. Where's Jack? Are you still with Jack? Hey, is Jack still around? I'm glad you still got your home, sweetheart. I'm glad. Yes, you're very pretty. Very pretty girl. I didn't bring any corn. I didn't, but maybe I will later, okay? I promise. I'm nice to see you. It's been so long, honey. Hey, where's Jack? Is Jack here? Is Jack okay? Hey, what's going on? Hey, girl? Sweetheart. R72. There's my girl. There's my girl. You stay safe, sweetheart. Okay? I love you. Hey? Yes. Go see Jack. Go find Jack. I'll be back with corn. I didn't bring any corn. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. See you after. See you later, Evie. See you later, Ev. Bye-bye.